So our project for today is a tissue paper butterfly.
For this project, we will be using a piece of cardstock, a piece of black paper, glue, and tissue paper. The first thing that we want to do is take and draw the shape of the body of our butterfly on the black paper. So I'm going to draw a head, and then I'm going to kind of draw a long, skinny body, and I'm going to cut that out. It doesn't have to be perfect. So that is all set to go. Set it on my paper. With the leftovers, I can use these to make the little antennae. Kind of do a ball at the top and a long skinny piece for one antenna. And do the other one. Okay, so to get started, I'll glue these down. Put a little bit of glue from our bottle here on the back side. And then a little bit underneath the antenna. Oops, I glue all over the paper, but that's okay because I will use glue later for gluing the tissue paper down. Then I'm just going to draw some wings, and I'm just making a big loop for the top there, and a loop for the bottom. I just use a pencil for this. That way if I don't like how it looks, like, oh, I don't know if I like that, I might make it a little bigger up that way, I can do that with my pencil, and I could erase if I wanted to the other part. But I'm going to cover it with tissue paper, so it doesn't really matter. This one down here, maybe making a little bit longer that way too. So just kind of sketching them up there to see how you want them to look. Then I will get started with my tissue paper. I think I'm going to just add some glue all over one of the wings. For the sample project I did, I sort of did a little bit of a design on there. For this one, I'm just going to glue the tissue paper pieces down. However, I'm not going to worry about a pattern. I'm just going to mix them. So maybe I'll start with some of these light orange pieces. I just tear them into little bits and then stick them on. Ball them up and stick them on. And they want to stick to your fingers sometimes. You might end up with glue all over it, and that's okay. Just wash your hands afterwards. If it doesn't want to come off your hands afterwards, that just means you have to help with the dishes.
So I'm just going to add a couple more of these little balls to finish it up. The smaller you do your pieces and scrunch them together, the more detail you get, but also the longer it takes. So you can kind of decide while you're doing it if you just want to stick them on larger or if you want to crumple them into tiny pieces.
And then when you are done, if you wanted and had some little googly eyes and wanted to put some eyes on there, you could do a couple of dots of glue and add some googly eyes. I lost my little googly eye. There he is. On the other one, Simon had wanted to add the proboscis. Is that what it's called? The little curly, drinky thing. So we could kind of make one of those, just cut out a little piece, and then if you curl it around a pencil or something, that'll make it sort of come up at a nice little curl here, and we could put a dot of glue there, add the little proboscis, if you want. You don't have to. And that is our butterfly.